Hello friends, welcome my another video. Today I'll make how to add remove input field and insert data using PHP MySql Jquery. That's the very interesting fact because you can add one times any kinds of name like Imran. That's it. Then press submit. Your information already your database entered. Also you can add it at a time more and more name or information at a time. Okay, no problem. Like Imran, sorry, already I typed Imran. I am type Imdad, then Masood, then Asad, then Rubel. Okay guys, then Alvi, then Shamim. Guys, already I typed about 6 name at a time. Then you can put only one click, press submit. Your already information is going your database at a time. So guys, how you will make this table? Now I'm share. If you like to make this table, must be you have to create some database, insert and another coding. You can download 100% free from my website link. See my video description. When you click this description, then you can see this interface. That is my website interface. So if you when you scroll down, then see view demo. I will discuss after some times about view demo. Then go scroll down, then see index, all kinds of coding in here. You can copy specifically from here, no problem. Also scroll down, then see name.php. Then scroll down, see download source code. I think it's better for you because when you download source code from here, then you will download all kinds of source code with database as a zip file. Okay, then scroll up, then you see demo list in here, like a demo list in here. When you click there, then see there are a lot of demo in here. Now I'm discussed last one. That's in add more raw in jQuery. That's one. When you click view details, then see view details. And also when you click view demo, then see view demo. That's good information guys. So no more talk, let's go. Now we'll make this table. So when you like to make, must be you have to go your jam. My jam is local disk C drive, then press jam, then std docs, then table name. My table name today is table 36. That's one. That's very interesting. And obviously you can see index name and table 36 SQL. That means that is database. Okay, now I am open everything. So guys, click open. Okay, so guys, now I will discuss about database because when you change your database folder name, also table name, then your you should follow some information or some technique. I will share this. That's the database folder name. Code hunter underscore demo. I made this from my local host PHP admin. Okay, also that is that table name, table 36. Must be you have to change from your PHP admin local host. Okay, how? Now I'm share. Self go your localhost PHP admin. That is my localhost PHP admin. Just to wait for opening. Okay, you see localhost PHP admin. Then with my folder name code hunter underscore demo. That's one. And scroll down, then see table 36. Okay, so guys, when you change your demo, I mean database folder name, and change your table name, automatically your database will be connect with your index. Okay, and also must be you have to change someone's like that name. There's one code hunter demo. Obviously it will be changed, otherwise you can't open your table. Okay, remember that. Then see index is main factor because that is the title of this table. You can change this title of table very easily. Self check your table. What is the table is one. Okay, how to add, remove input field and insert data using PHP MySql Jquery, and also add more row in Jquery. Okay, now I am just I'll delete first line. Okay, that's very interesting. Go, you can see that's one first line. I like to delete, no problem. Self press delete, then press file, then save, no problem. Go our table, already there's first line is here because we didn't reload. Now I'm reload. You see first line has gone, and also your table is another as it is, no problem, no sense. So guys, this is very interesting things. So I have a request, if you liked this types of table, this types of video, must be subscribe my channel. And also if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment in the comment box. I will try to answer as soon as possible. So guys, no more talk. Thank you very much.